Today I'm keeping a demo lecture on probability. If you want to attend the lecture with shortcuts and tricks and very easy simple way, please call the numbers given here. And in case you want to join our program, we are launching our program from today or the next 2 days. I want to kill this topic called probability. You can join for the complete program, or you only want the books, more shortcuts, whichever program you want to join, just call the numbers given here. There are 3 stages for MBA admission. Number 1, you have to give the CAT exam, stage 1. Then you get the interview call. Then you get the clear the cutoff, number 2. And then you finally get the interview shortlist. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. So we got this data from IIM Indore according to the RTI filed. So guys, if you come across any data regarding RTI, please do share me of the last few years. I would make it into a meaningful video which can help us understand more about the CAT exam for the reserved category, open category, all the students. So let's look at here the first thing. This year 191,000 people actually paid for the exam. 207 almost filled the forms. Almost 10% people did not appear for the exam even after registering for the site for the CAT exam. So 100% of the audience. Out of them, general category students, let me make it large. General category students 1,35,000, 70% audience. OBC 32,000, SC 7%, EWS 3%, ST 1.7 and PWD 0.41%. So this gives the number of people who have applied for the exam per category ke accordingly. Now this is the IIM Indore cutoffs as they displayed on their site. 80% for general and EWS, 70% for OBC, SC, ST 55, 45, 45. Unfortunately, very sad to say, we still live in a country where in our country the cutoff for being a PWD category, handicap category quota is equal to the ST category. That's a sad situation of our country. Overall 50 percentile. Same way for IIM Lucknow. This is a cutoff. You can pause the video and check out the cutoffs. Okay, now let's see how many people have actually cleared this cutoff. So open category, out of 1,35,000, only 5.9% have cleared this cutoff. Okay, cutoff of 80%, 80%, 80 and overall 90%. In the EWS category, 5,748 number of people applied, 3% audience. Out of them 348, 6% people cleared. So basically EWS have performed better than the open category students in the CAT exam. देखा जाए तो OBC 6.61, 2,100 student, SC 144 which is 1%, ST 1200, 1245, 38%. So look at here, ST students have performed the best in the CAT exam, and PWD 42% people have got the call. Why? Because one of the reason came the cutoffs are low. Yes, no doubt about this, but still the numbers are good. Okay, so this is the who have cleared the cutoff. Now clearing the cutoff does not mean getting the IIM call. So if you get 80, 90, you can't go to court and say mujhe call kyun nahi diya, because this is the shortlisting. They are going to shortlist the student who have this number. So 12,000 students have cleared, 6.4% of the students have cleared that number. Now look at other. You have to be in the top 6% of the batch to get the call. 12,000 people have cleared the cutoff. Now they might not have got the call. Now come the shortlist. Yeah, I can't call all 12,000 students. For example, for the open category, I can only call 2,000 students for approximately 200 seats. 1:10 people are shortlisted. So out of 8,000, 2,000 got a call, which is approximately 26% of the students who are shortlisted will get the call. So clearing this cutoff does not make any sense. Yeah, unless you are in the top 25% of that number will get the call. Now here they add your 10th ka marks, 12th ka marks, gender, all the things that check, not only your CAT performance. CAT performance is only till here. Yeah, look at SC category. All 100% people get the call. So you just have to clear the cutoff to get the call. Simple. For PWD, again you have to just clear the cutoff. ST 64%, EWS 50%, OBC 50%. So almost half of the people in other categories will get the call provided you clear the cutoff. But for the general category student, the number is less, 25%. Okay, so this gives an idea to understand how the calls are given. Number one, you give the CAT exam. Number two, you clear the cutoff, all three cutoff. Now, if you clear all the three cutoffs, you have very good chance to at least get the call from the CAP rounds. Because in CAP round, they have to give the call to almost 27,000 students. So all these people will definitely get the call. मैं open category का हूँ, ये है वो है, भाई आपके सामने है. 6% of the open category students are going to get the call. Almost 6% for OBC, 1% of SC, 6% of OBC. So आपका जनरल एवरेज के बराबर ही है यार. ST एंड PWD अगर कैटेगरी छोड़ दो तो सबका कंपटीशन ऑलमोस्ट सेम. इनफैक्ट SC में कंपटीशन सबसे ज़्यादा है. और इन अदर वे राउंड SC पीपल परफॉर्म द वर्स्ट इन द CAT एग्जाम. आर यू गेटिंग मी? तो आपका टारगेट है टू कम इन द टॉप 6%. या रैंक 1 आने को बोलोगे मैं नहीं कर सकता, बट टू बी इन द टॉप 8,000 स्टूडेंट, येस आई कैन डू दैट. आई हैव 5 months का टाइम टिल द CAT एग्जाम. इफ आई वर्क हार्ड easily I can be in the top 6%. तो कल को ये नहीं बिकॉज ऑफ OBC, ST दिस एंड दैट, गर्ल्स को प्रेफरेंस देते हैं, इंजीनियर्स को प्रेफरेंस नहीं देते हैं, ये सब ज्ञान देने की जगह योर फोकस शुड बी टू बी इन द टॉप 8,000 स्टूडेंट्स, टॉप 2,000 स्टूडेंट फॉर OBC, टॉप 100 स्टूडेंट फॉर SC, टॉप 300 फॉर EWS, टॉप 1200, टॉप 300 and total 12,000 students. If you are in the top 12,000, you will definitely get the call. If not from IIM Indore, from New IIM, CAP round, anything, call तो आपको आएगा ही आएगा. And that should be your focus. Hi guys, at CTing we're launching our online program. So in case you want to join our program, just call us on any of the numbers given here to join the program. We're also conducting our demo lecture this Friday. That is today we have a demo lecture from 6 to 7 p.m. Yeah. Otherwise Monday we're launching our new program. So in case you want to join, just call the numbers given here.